How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So let me tell you guys, we do have a bit of rockiness in the stock market right now. We got some red, we got some green, and by the way, it's about 1 p.m. on the East Coast, and SoFi's down almost 1.5%. So yeah, we have to break down the charts, SoFi, the indexes, what I'm doing. But guys, first take a sip of your coffee, of course. Come on, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, this is the best deal right now. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100 and you get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. And guys, listen to this. Your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% for now. So use that link down below or go to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers again, guys. Let's get right into it. So like I said, it's about 1 p.m. on the East Coast, and we do have a little bit of red, a little bit of green, which earlier today, guys, which you probably saw in my earlier video, it was red across the board. So we are seeing a bit of a rally right now in the overall stock market during the day, or as we're pretty much a little bit past halfway through the day now. If I pull up SPY, you guys can see this hit an all-time high this morning. If I zoom in a bit, we hit about 608, whatever. Then we sold off middle of the day, early, mid, day. We saw a bit of a sell-off, and now we're ripping again, taking out the previous high from this morning. So we hit another all-time high on SPY here on the intraday. You guys see it, which is really good. And QQQ, same thing. We hit an all-time high this morning, sold off. Now we're rebounding again after the sell-off, taking out the old all-time high, hitting a fresh one at 524. So stocks are rebounding pretty nicely right now in the middle of the day, guys. And SoFi is trying to as well. It's at about $16.06, down 1.6%. But look, we're well above the lows from the day. And we've been making higher lows throughout the day, which you guys clearly can see right here. Even looking in the pre-market. I mean, look, in the pre-market, we hit 1575 on SoFi. Then after open, about 10 minutes after open, we double bottomed at about 1580, saw a big rally, held another higher low right here at about, where was this, guys? I think this was at about, 11 a.m. East Coast time. We held 1590. So you guys are seeing what SoFi is doing here, right? It's trying to get out of the hole on the intraday here. Right now, actually, real time when I'm making this video and you're watching it shortly after, we're fighting to make a higher low right here at about $16, 1605. This is a big spot. And you could also make an argument we have an ascending triangle here on the intraday, guys, which is really bullish in the short term. So right now, what we're realizing is, or noticing, SoFi is simply consolidating, trying to break back out now to the mid-low, or not even mid-low, mid-high rather, 16s, right? That's where we were a bit yesterday, a couple of days ago. Last week, we hit that point. So you guys see we've pretty much been consolidating, holding support at about 1580, 16, 1620 over the last couple of days. Now we're just trying to gear up and make that move back to the mid-16s, maybe high 16s, and we'll see. As long as SoFi holds above 16, 15, 80, I would say, but ideally 16, the bulls are going to be pretty good in the short term. Honestly, more like $15.80, $15.75. That's a big support, which we're above that as of right now. So SoFi, guys, let's see, man. Right now on the 20-day chart, if I pull this up, we're obviously still holding the 180 SMA. We're obviously trying to break past. Actually, no, we did earlier this morning, which is actually great for the bulls. We broke past the 50 SMA, which is at about $16. That's great news. And do you guys remember that head and shoulders we were talking about a bit yesterday? That's still kind of intact. I mean, I got a comment yesterday that I think one of you guys couldn't see it. I mean, Maybe it's not the most beautiful textbook Head and Shoulders. It might not be, but I see it. I mean, do you guys see it? Let me know in the comments. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know, but I kind of see it right now. Don't you guys see it? We have the left shoulder here, the head, the right shoulder. Neckline is right around, let's see here, guys, 1630. I mean, I see it pretty closely here. So that's another reason why we have to break out of 1625, 1650, right? That'd be huge. So yeah, time will tell, guys. Time will tell. It's like the battle of the Bulls and Bears right now. What are we gonna do? Is this Head and Shoulders gonna play out? Do we dump under the 180 SMA? Maybe get a bigger sell-off. Maybe on the 4-hour chart at that point, we'd start coming down $13, $14. Does that happen? Which some people would argue they want that. Or do we continue the crazy rally we've seen, which would mean we break 1625, we break the neckline, we break the recent high here from a week ago, 1660, and we start moving from there. I mean, at this point, guys, all signs are still pointing to more upside, even though we have that Head and Shoulders kind of in the making a little bit. Because, look, overall on the 1 hour, we're still above the key moving average. Same thing on the 4-hour chart. So, obviously, Bulls have the advantage. They're still in charge. But I'm just putting that on your radar so you guys keep an eye on it. That Head and Shoulders. Very, very important if you ask me. So, yeah, SoFi is now at $16.04, down about 1.7%. But like I said, guys, as long as we hold where we've been holding the last 3-4 trading days, the high 15s, low 16s, the Bulls are going to be in charge. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. And let me quickly look here, maybe at the indexes again before we wrap up this video. And by the way, make sure to join that email list. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks for free every single Monday, guys. You got to get in there. It's linked down below in the description box, also pinned in the comment section. Make sure you guys join the free email list. So the S&P we saw earlier hit an all-time high. That triangle we called out a couple of days ago, that's playing out beautifully. QQQ, if I pull this up, let's pull this up. Also all-time high, fully breaking out. I'm not surprised, guys. I mean, we've been calling this out. It looks like today we have a pretty big red day for the metals. Not sure how many of you guys track gold, silver, but it looks like gold is getting rejected at a big level of resistance right now, right at that 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. And silver is down about 1%, also getting rejected at the 180 SMA here. So not the best day for gold, silver. But did you guys see Bitcoin? Did you guys see crypto? Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm not a big crypto guy, but I've been in and out of Bitcoin. I mean, I started this YouTube channel. I'm not sure if you guys knew, but back in 2017, I've been making content here for years. So I was part of that initial big run that we had in 2017. That's kind of before Bitcoin. I mean, it wasn't super tiny back then by any means. But that's before it went super mainstream, which I would say that happened in 2020. So, yeah, Bitcoin officially hit 100,000, guys, which is nuts. And again, for me seeing it at, I think I bought Bitcoin for the first time at like $5,000 a coin. For me seeing it at that point in 2017 to where it is now, it is unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. And like I said, I was in and out of Bitcoin for a couple of years now. I mean, for what? Dang, it's almost been a decade now. So 2017, yeah, we're pushing 8 years now. So I've been in and out of it for 8 years. And I'm obviously, not a big crypto guy, like I said, but I've dabbled. I actually own some XRP right now, which I've covered before on the channel. I don't want to get too off track here, guys. But yeah, XRP, I bought some at 69 cents a couple of weeks ago, not realizing we were going to go to $3 literally a couple of weeks after. Pure luck there. But yeah, I'm in XRP right now. which is pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, it's crazy, you know. We're seeing a bit of red right now in the stock market, whatever, but in reality, man, does it even matter? Asset prices have gone up so much in the last couple of weeks. Really, I mean, heading into the election, we were looking great as well, but once Trump got elected, man, dude, what is going on? Everything's on steroids. Stocks are up like crazy. Bitcoin's bananas, crypto, this, that, altcoins. You know, it's a crazy time right now. So in times like this, I'm not saying, take all your chips off the table, but don't be shy to lock in some profits. Nobody ever went broke locking in profits. I'm not on Sofi personally. I'm holding on Sofi. I'm not locking in profits there. But if I was up a ton on a crypto, I would definitely consider locking in some profits right now. Even in the stock market, it depends. Don't be shy to take some chips off the table. So, with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap up the video. Smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, your journey, what you're up to in the comments. And do not forget to get your free stocks. Open up your Moomoo account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, guys, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, come on. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.